Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is a daily close, of course. We're gonna analyze what happened for Bitcoin, what it might happen next for the next hours, and of course for tomorrow. So the last update, we of course we were still in this area, and we were looking, of course, to break this high as recommended, right? Because we have, of course, 1, 2 potentially. We're looking at least for ABC, at least minimum at 1 to 1 fib level. However, in case we take this price, 84K 690 here, it is your, anyway, almost your invalidation. Yeah, 84 actually. 84K 600 is your invalidation, or 800 for the bearish. And that means in case we are, of course, in a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5-year wave, 4 is not allowed to interfere with the zone 1, even here already taken. So kind of like start to give us here a possibility that we're done with moving toward the downside, because if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 invalidation, and of course I told you before, this is a mistake somehow to take it as a wave 1. It is 3 wave. Diagonal as expanding is very, very low possibility, and expanding flat here is very, very low possibility in this overshooting wave B. So impossible to be a wave 1 here. And then, of course, we're moving for higher. Yeah. And because of this signal here, we have finished kind of like WXY somehow. And we're ready to move for higher because we're looking for a wave B. So let me show you in a bigger view what are we looking for. Now, today, we took like kind of confirmation that yes, we're still looking for the right time, yeah, to finish a wave B here. Yeah, the right time, which is 0.38, to finish a wave B, because this wave B has to be finished at least after the 0.38. Right? Otherwise, we are crashing. Yeah. So, and I doubt that this is a scenario for Bitcoin. We are in 3 waves down, and the wave B took the low here as expected yesterday. Perfect fib level hit as a blue box, and then moving right now for a wave C, potentially coming back to the 100K, guys. After, of course, we have updated those fib levels with the wave B here, 100K can be a potential target, guys, for a wave C. Now, yeah, possibly the market will think, oh, we're bullish again. Well, it is bullish, short-term bullish, but when you say we are bullish again, meaning you will take the all-time high, okay? So basically, yeah, most of the traders or Bitcoiners will think that we're taking the all-time high, we're moving 150K again, and so on. But it's not the case scenario, guys. You know, we are, don't forget that we are in 3 ways down, 3 ways up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the downside again. We didn't finish, yeah. And potentially this is a trap where it's gonna be, of course, many of the Bitcoiners and crypto fans will be, of course, seeking to take the high, but we will not even potentially move over the 105K, I would say. Look how much it is close to the all-time high. Yeah, what a trap, right? Basically, we're not gonna take the high, guys. So basically, the blue box, and then moving down again for a big wave C, of course, for a bear market, and we're still looking for this wave C to be finished, right? So these are the scenarios, guys, that we might face. However, it's a nice move. I mean, 105K is also a nice move. It's a nice, yeah, if it unfolds, of course, till the top, that would be very, very nice. Let's move to the 15-minute chart to see what's going on, to get a little bit insights here, to see if this will continue for higher or not. Now, definitely, it looks like potentially still corrective here, so that's nice so far. Looking at it, it looks corrective, so potentially still looking for this one more wave toward the upside. Taking the 1-to-1 fib level is, of course, dangerous. I mean, to move toward the downside, but don't forget that it might invalidate any bullish scenario, right? In case Let me check this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this one also finished as an impulse. So yes, a very low possibility, of course, to of course taking the low again. Possibly, of course, in a wave 4, in case we fail to take the invalidation. Possibly, it can be if we fail to take this invalidation level, and which is, of course, the 84 800, right? If we fail it, then yeah, potentially that, okay, that is a bigger wave 5 that it might unfold here for the 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, this is the case scenario. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, potentially, of course, guys, to finish a bigger A, B, and a C. But that means, of course, if we take still the wave 5 here, meaning we're moving back again even toward the upside. For a wave B, unless, of course, something bigger is unfolding, that we break again the 73K. Breaking the 73K meaning you broke all the wave B levels as an expanding flat A, B, and a C. If you break it down, then of course we're moving directly to 65K to finish a big wave C, which is kind of like, yeah, very fast bear market, or what we called crash. Yeah, so these are the updates for Bitcoin. Higher potential, of course, taking the one-to-one at least, and potentially continue toward the 88K, formation of a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to reach again the 100K and potentially 105K. That was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.